Excuse me, ano ito ang haba?
Honey, he said that our daughter is pregnant.
Ha? Yan, Paul. Ano ito ang haba? Hello, Ricky.
Sir,
Do you have one evidence?
sir, I saw your daughter vomiting. And I think she was pregnant.
Ashley! Ashley, come here.
Yes, Dad.
Aya.
Are you pregnant?
Kasi nagtanong.
Tell the truth.
John Paul, Tay, Tay, let me explain. The story goes like this.
Di ba nila ano to? Look to leader.
Si Elijah. Sabi ko na nga ba, siya naman nakabuntis eh.
Ate, did you see my favorite dress? Oh, your dress. I wear it last night. What? What?
Galing niya
Did you
mag-English.
wear it? Did you ask permission? No, I saw. Ate, I need to use it. Didn't you wear it without any permission? So, you so flirt.
Flirting.
Sakit nun.
You're so flirty. Pa-flirt ba?
Grabe si Kim.
At least realistic nga eh. Ganun.
Kasi tatanggapin.
Sino siya? Ako pa talaga.
Ano ka na ba?
Ayos lang daw. Si Ma'am na siya sa actually.
Ano ka? Sing for friends. Dean? Oh, Ashley, what's the matter? Me and my sister has an argument. Oh, see, why? Because she wore my favorite dress without any permission. Don't mind her. She's just a dirty girl. That's right. So, wipe her tears, Tosh. I have an idea. What? Gimme? Let's go! Gimme? Let's go! Come on, Babalas! Everybody, let's go! Come on, let's get to it! I know that we can do it! Where are we going? To the bar! Where are we going?
pala yun,
To
di ba?
the bar! Where are we going? To the bar!
Kasi na. Ay, matumayo. Parang mas.
Si Elijah, hindi ko alam kung...
Yung, ano ba, yung gumagano ba sa Elijah? Gumagano.
Hindi naman.
Eh, ba't ganun yung style? Ang hili ng shorts.
Pero may kita rin.
Diyos ko, kita din naman. Talaga mo nag...
Hey guys, look at that girl. Where?
That girl wearing a green clip.
Saan ang green tea?
Hey, show your clip. She's that pretty.
Ah.
Really? Duh.
Bakala. Ay, bakala.
Me? Fine. Wait.
Oh, girls.
Baduy, di ba?
You look so pretty.
Yan, magkakabuntiso na naman yung dalawa. Magkasama na agad.
Something happened.
After drinking, Ashley and Kenneth have a sex.
Sana something happened na lang.
Haba sex.
Hindi, like,
Haba sex ba naman?
At pinost mo.
Yo, para maganda.
Exposure ka.
ayun, back to the ano.
My God, Ashley! You worked very hard! Just for you to send to an exclusive school.
Like, I didn't mean to.
Ang gumawa ng lines na yan eh.
Just forgive me for the sake of your grandson.
You're not my daughter anymore.
Balik na ako.
Get lost and never come back. Kay si Judy.
Na ganun pa, kita din naman.
Yan, sa taas.
Super sa, ano yan? Sa sports?
For sports.
Ano yan, sashing yun.
After that incident, her parents ostracized her.
Baka di na
Ay, sa'yo ba yun? Sorry.
7 years ago,
Ay, textile pala
Ashley
yun.
got together with her son to ask for forgiveness and say sorry to her parents. Scene 7, forgiving.
Bata. Pari pa rin yung
Ashley! Honey! Here's your daughter, Ashley!
happy for you.